I name it Truffle Island. So welcome back to the Manat vlog. It's been a while. We are back in full effect. We have a big trip coming up and a short trip right now. We're going on a little boat trip around Puerto Rico, out to Vieques, and we haven't been out there, but I heard there's like some of the most beautiful beaches in the world are there. The weather is a little iffy, so we hope it's nice. We got a little boat we're gonna be cruising around on. So let's go. We're first going to Fajardo, where we're taking off from Fajardo to, not really sure, we'll see. I'm bringing my spear gun. Maybe I'll catch a fish out there for dinner. We'll see how it goes. Got my spear gun. Hopefully we catch a fish. We are out of here.
Where are we?
We made it to Fajardo. We are in Fajardo. It's where everyone keeps their boats. It's on the other side of the island. So it was like an hour and a half drive. But we made it. We're here. We're excited to get on the boat. Have a fun weekend. Loading it up. Got all the toys. Look at all these toys. You ready to go jet skiing? You like the jet ski? Oh, look at this little room we have.
Party time!
Yo, this bed though. Should I sleep in this?
No. You're sleeping
The
with
only
me.
way to sleep like this is you have to like, it's like a coffin. You know what's crazy? This is how they sleep on the tour buses. You know, on the tour bus?
Oh yeah.
All the homies.
All the homies? Well, good thing you're not a rapper.
Yeah.
Hell no, that life is not for me.
And we're off, Captain. Beautiful day. God bless you. It's a beautiful day. We are happy to be out on the water. I love the ocean. I love being on the boat.
This is the thumbnail of your video, right here. Here it is, guys.
Oh, it was like raining so much when we left. I'm so happy the rain stopped, right? So we are now in Culebrita. However you say it. Culebrita, Culebra, Mini Culebra. We're out here. We're getting the toys out. I'm gonna go spearfishing, see if I get a fish. Okay, the sun is out. Got to get on the jet ski. perfect Sunday, relaxing on the boat. Tonight, we actually have a flight at 3 a.m. to LA. So we're gonna go to LA right before we head to Milan. So we're just enjoying Sunday. We're gonna go check out this other private little beach that we have to get to by boat. So we're just exploring. Okay, me and Alex are gonna go explore the island. Oh man, what a beautiful way to end the weekend and head out on a crazy trip. We're gonna be going to freezing cold weather, skiing, snow, Courchevel. So it's good for a little taste of paradise before we go. We made it on shore. What are we gonna name our little secret island?
I don't know.
We're gonna name it
Truffle Island.
Truffle Island. Come on, let's go for a little walk. I name it Truffle Island. The most beautiful island in the sea. Truffle is at training camp, which is a very sad moment for us because she's getting trained right now. She's gonna be a great dog. Well, she is a great dog, but when she comes out of there, she's gonna be an even better dog. Look at this. This is so beautiful. The rainbow. That's beautiful. Yeah, it's right there too. That's crazy. It's crazy. I've never seen the rainbow end actually. It's literally ending right there. Okay guys, thank you for tuning into my vlog. It's been an amazing trip. Thank you for following me, showing support, showing love. Please click subscribe to my channel and we'll see you soon. We're off to a long journey. So it was nice to hang with you guys, show you a little glimpse of my vacation, and now we're off. See you soon.